Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me guys?
Yes, yes.
Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes, able to
Hello.
hear.
Okay, good. Okay, the rest of the people can you put mute? Okay, that's fine. Okay, are you able to see my screen? No one. Guys, can you hear me? Right? Check your audio
Yes,
connectivity.
yes, we can hear you. I think we can see your screen as well.
Okay, good. Excellent. Thank you. Someone is saying that they have an audio problem, so just reconnect it. Okay, no issues, no worries. Okay, guys. Myself is Srinivas. I have total more than 10 years of experience. I'm working. Okay, I have both experience like manual and automations and API also, and now we are moving to the cloud. I have almost 3 years of experience in cloud also. Okay, this is from my side. Before start automation, I want to tell you one thing. Right? Manual is mandatory. You need to know mandatory means what. I'm not asking to again join the manual classes. Okay, what I want to say is at least you need to know when we will do the automation, in what purpose we are doing the automation. Okay, you need to have a clear idea, then only you need to join the automation sessions. Understanding, right? My friend got a job, I will also will join, I will get a job means no, you will not get the job. Understanding, right? He got a job, I will get a job means no, it won't come. Okay, so don't compare with others. Okay, he got the job in automation, I will get a job means no, because what you need to follow first, you need to check with that guy what you follow, how you get the job. You need to ask that guy or he or she. Okay, you need to ask them how you will get a job and all the things, then only you need to follow the things. Understanding, right? It won't come. I will join the automation, I will get a job means no, it won't come. Okay, so what is required for to learn automation? What I need to learn, suppose I want to start automation, so what I need to required before I need to jump into automation? Okay, the basic thing is what you need to understand, what is manual testing. Okay, at least if you're not joined the sessions also, at least you need have some basic knowledge how we need to test the manual testing. Okay, so what is manual testing? Anybody have any idea what is manual testing, guys? What is manual testing? What is
Check
manual
if
testing?
application is check if
Huh?
application is according to the requirements or not.
Yes, to test the application, to test the any application whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. Okay, so that is very important. So first of all, you need to understand the requirements, then only you can do a manual testing, then only you can do the automation testing. Understanding, right? Without understanding the requirements, without understanding the test cases, without understanding anything, you cannot do automation. Don't think that in institute we will show only login screen. You will think that, oh, I got everything, and once you get into the job you cannot survive. Okay, because automation is required lot of practice, guys. Lot of practice. Practice makes perfect, right? Even I can learn from you also, because most of the students, they spend lot of time, so they will research more and more. So sometimes some batches the students are very fast, and they will say that Srini, you can do like that, Srini, we can do like that. So it's not like 1 month spending the time, it's not, you will not get the job. So you need to put lot of attention, lot of practice is required, lot of practice is required. Manual, if you go with the documentation and you can easily survey, you can go for interviews, not a problem. But when you're talking about automation, you need to practice at least in a day, at least you need to spend at least 1 hour you need to spend. Okay, why? Because I'm telling 1 hour, because we are not spend more than that also, right? But at least you need to spend 1 hour dedicatedly. Okay, Okay, so what is manual testing? What is the difference between manual and automation? So this is the first question will rise, right? What is manual testing? So manual testing means what? The manual test cases are executed without support from any tools or a script. That kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. Okay, my voice is clear, guys?
Yes, it is clear. It is clear. Thank you.
Okay, I'm not using headsets. Okay. Okay, so manual testing means what, guys? Simple, understand. No, not do not need to by heart. Simple, you can understand what is manual testing. In interview, they will ask it like this question: what is manual testing? Can you define what is manual testing and what is automation testing? Means you need not worry about books and all the things. Simple, you can say that manual testings are executed without support from tools and script. Here we are not writing any scripts. Here we are not writing any tools. So that kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. So I want to verify whether the website is working correctly or not. Now I'm going with the manual testing. So I need to open the browser. I need to type spicejet.com or whatever it may be. Okay, any website you need to click here and you need to check whether the website is getting correctly or not, whether the website is launching correctly or not. So this is what purely manual testing. What I'm doing now, I'm doing manual testing. I'm not using any script here to launch this website. To launch this website, I'm not using any tools. I'm not using any script, but I'm verifying manually. I'm saying that this site is working correctly. Understanding, right? What is beta testing, guys? Anyone? What is beta and what is alpha? So you need to understand what is beta testing and what is alpha testing. We already done in the manual, right? What is user acceptance testing? There are two types. What are there? Alpha testing and beta testing. See, this is the beta.
So
Beta
in
dot
alpha, developer will be there, non-end user will be there. I mean beta, there is only end user will be there.
end users will do the testing. Yes. So beta means what? It's not stable. See here, it is the beta dot. So this website is now they're implementing. Okay, you can simply say that. Okay, beta.spicejet.com. Okay, okay, that's fine. That is the other story. Okay, so manual testing means you understand, right, everyone? So without tools and without a script, we can test the application. That kind of things we can say that simply it's a manual testing. When you coming to the automation, what is meaning of automation? Don't say automation means Selenium. Okay, one of the part of automation is what? Selenium. There are multiple tools will be there. After this session you can google it, what are the automation tools available, or which tool is more useful or more using in 2021. You can search after the class. Okay, but don't say automation means Selenium. Most of the people, they ask me, can you please teach me automation and can you please teach me Selenium? What is automation and what is Selenium? You are not having a clear idea about that one. Understanding, right? So Selenium is the part of automation. It is also one tool. There are multiple tools will be there. Don't think that every organization will use Selenium. No, it's a wrong opinion. Every organization, they will use their, what is the required tool, they will use that tool. Okay, but why we are learning at least one tool? The concept will be the same only. If you are expert in one tool, the rest of the tools you can easily learn. Again, no need to join classes and all the things. Okay, if you learn how to automate the application, if you are expert in one area, the other tools are very easy, very easy, because there are same simultaneously, what we can say, similarly every tool will be the same thing. Okay, but the flow will be a different, a small flow, execution flow will be a different. Okay, so this is very important, guys. So what is manual testing and what is automation testing? If when you're talking about automation testing, they're executed with the support of tools. See here, we are using what? Tools and scripts and software. But with automation, test cases are executed with the assistance of tools and script and software. So if you want to do any automation, what is required? You need to require some tools or a script and software is required. Okay, understanding, right? So very easy, guys. What is the difference between manual testing and automation testing? Manual testing means without using any tools, we can test that application. That kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. When you're talking about automation, automation means they're executed with the support from tools and script and software. But with the automated test cases are executed. Suppose we are writing some test cases, that all test cases we need to execute it with the automation. So in that case, what we need to do, we need to assistance of the tools. We can use any tool, like if we are using the Selenium, okay, or any other tools to execute the application. Okay, let's see. We know already manual how we need to test. Let's see the automation part. Okay, very easy, guys. Don't panic. Okay, if you don't know also, it's very easy. So here, forget about this one. What I'm writing here, forget about this one. Here I'm written some script. This is what some script. Okay, I'm writing some script. Now I want to execute this one. See, now run as the Java application. I'm showing what is the difference between the manual testing and automation testing. We already saw the manual, right? Now I'm just executing with the automation. I've written some script. Now I want to execute that one. So if I execute that one, what I'm doing, see, I'm not doing anything. Automatically the browser will launch. Automatically the website will be launched. beta.spicejet.com. I'm not doing anything. The script is doing for each and everything. See what the script is running, and the script is launch the website and it is executed. Is it clear idea? What is difference between manual testing and automation testing? Again, no need to refer any notes. Simple understanding. If manually I want to do what I need to do, simply you need to go with Chrome browser. You just manually I'm doing and type that URL. What is that? You need to type that URL. What is the URL? They will tell you what the URL it is. Okay. Okay, you need to type that URL and you need to click that one. See, now I'm doing each and everything what manually I'm doing each and everything. I'm not doing any automation here. So this is what manual output. I'm checking with the manually I'm executing this one. Now the site is launched and successfully. Now I want to do with automation. So automation means what? I already told you, right? With the automation we need to support with the tools or a script. Here I'm using some script. This one I will executing now. See here, if I run as Java application or anything, it will be, say, I'm not doing anything. Automatically the browser will be launched and automatically the website will be launched. So in interview, in case they ask you the question, what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing? So you need to have an answer for that. Is it clear, guys? Any questions, anybody? See, these sessions are purely interaction session, guys. You need to talk, you need to speak. Okay, if you keep quiet means we will not get anything. Okay, because in the real time, I told you, right, we have a lot of meetings. What sometimes nowadays you need to give a demo to entire the team. Once you done the automation, you need to give a presentation to entire the team. The team will need to check with your data and all the things. Okay, so the presentation skills is required here. Your communication is required here. You need to always interact with the team. Understanding, right? If you are in good in Selenium, you are in good in everything, but you are not speaking means it won't work out in the real time. Okay, because sometimes you need to give a presentation. You need to give your work to entire the team. Okay, so you need to explain. You need to share your screen. Okay, so this is also it's very important. I told you right before going for interview, they will ask you the first question. Can you introduce yourself and tell me about your roles and responsibilities? If you are not able to tell what is your roles and what is your responsibilities, if you are not able to tell that, then you will not get the job. Understanding that even though you are in good in Selenium, even though you are in good in automation, you know each and everything, but you are not speaking, right? The first question, introduce yourself. Can you introduce yourself? Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your project. What kind of automation you done? Tell me, explain. If you're not speak, then it's very tough. Understanding, right? So any questions? What is the difference between the manual testing and automation testing? So that is what major difference between what automation testing and manual testing. Okay, is it clear? Now let's see. Anybody have any question, guys? I'm moving to next slide. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now coming to the selenium. Everyone is crazy with selenium, 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 selenium. Why? Let's see why selenium. Okay, I don't want to tell who invented and all the things. Okay, so no one will ask you this question. The selenium is a suite of software tool used to automate the web browser. See, what is the use? What is by using of selenium? What we can do? Selenium is not only a single tool. It is a suite of suite means a group of things. Okay, a selenium is a suite of software tools to use to automate web browsers. See, I can automate the Chrome browser, I can automate the Firefox browser, I can automate the Edge Chrome browser, I can automate any other browser. Understanding, right? Selenium is a suite of software tools to use to automate the web browsers. You can automate the web browsers also. Okay, so when the selenium is released 2004, okay, no one will ask you all the things. You will get this stuff also when you google it also. Okay, not required, no one will ask you all these things. Okay, now this is very, very important. What are the components of the selenium? There are four components. Never say in interview there are four. Okay, you simply say that components of the selenium. They will ask you what are the components of the selenium. Okay, never mention the number. Okay, simply you can say that selenium IDE, selenium RC, selenium WebDriver, and selenium grid. There are major four components. What are there? Selenium IDE, selenium RC, okay, and selenium WebDriver and selenium grid. Okay, now see, initially they start with what? A selenium IDE. What is selenium IDE? Let's see. What is selenium IDE, guys? IDE means what? IDE stands for integrated development environment, which is, what is that? Which is the plugin for the web browsers. Okay, you can okay, let's see what is this. It allows to us record and play the script. Okay, suppose initially when they started automation, right, they won't write directly script. Then they introduce what? IDE. What is called IDE? Integrated development environment. What is this will do? It will do record and play. No need to write the script. Easiest one, simply you can record and play. That's happiest job, right? No need to write the Java, no need to write Python, anything. Simply what you can do, you just record and the play. But they have some drawbacks, so that's the reason they introduced RC. What is that? RC? Remote control. After that they introduced what? WebDriver. After that they introduced what? Selenium grid. Okay, so let's see. It is the easiest framework, and therefore the developer needs to switch to the Selenium RC for the advanced testing cases. Like advanced test cases, they introduce what? RC. Okay, let's see what is IDE. IDE means what? We just know, right? What is IDE? Just integrated development environment. It is what? Just record and play. Initially what they will do, they introduce the IDE. So if you want to execute this one, okay, any website, okay, one second. Okay, just I want to execute this one. Okay, I don't know anything, any coding knowledge or anything. I don't know. Now I want to see how it will be executed. So you need to download the IDE. So you will, if you download means you will get this one. Okay, IDE, Selenium IDE. Just click that IDE. It is asking welcome to Selenium IDE. It is asking what would you like to do? Record a new test cases on new project, and I'm just click a new project. I'm giving ABC project. Okay, I'm just clicking OK. Now it is asking the test cases. Okay, now see what you want to record. Now simply you can, what website you want to record, that website you need to take. Okay, just you can take this one. It's getting more than, right? Let's simply, you can take simple website, Amazon.in. Okay, now I'm copy this site, Control C, and just paste here. Okay, say that you are control. Okay, now see what is this tool will do. this will record and play. That's it. Okay. See here there is a record button. Are you able to see? Right here there is a record button. Once you click the record, the recording will be started. Okay. Now see, I'm just clicking start recording. Control U. See, whenever the control will come, see the record. Let wait. Okay. This page is loading. Okay. Now it's loaded. Now I'm expanded the site. Now I'm clicking mobiles. Now wait. Okay. Until the page is loaded. Okay. Don't do fastly. Okay, the page is completely loaded. Electronics, I'm just clicking. Okay, the page is loaded. Okay, now best sellers. Okay, now I'm checking how it will be works. Okay, now I won't stop my recording. Just go and stop the recording. It is asking the test case name, ABC test case. Okay, don't panic guys, we will not do all the things. See, I'm checking how it automation will works. I'm just learning how automation will work. See, open command is what open. Now I'm opening and set window size is what this much is the size to expand the mouse over. I'm just going and place that mouse right. That we can call it as what mouse over. Click when I'm clicking the link right. So when you need to use click means you need to use click, 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 click. Now I want to execute this one. See, there is what run the current test case. Just you can click this one. Now see, observe thing, I'm not doing anything, automatically the website is launched. Now what is doing? No, it's failed, I think so. Still running. So you can do like so don't go with major website like Amazon and all the things. Okay, you can try take with the simple examples. Okay, so what we can do here, we can do what record and play. See here the mouse over is failed. Okay, can I do one more time? Let's try, because it will consider your net speed, your RAM and all the things will be considered. Okay, memory, each and everything will be considered. Okay, so in this way we can record the website and we can play. Okay, let's see again, it will be mouse over, it is failing right now. Let's see, we will go with the small site. Okay, okay, let's just leave this site. Okay, we can try it. Okay, but always you need to take lightweight sites. Okay, now we can go with Selenium. This site is very important guys. Always you need to look into this site if you want to learn automation. Okay, everything will be here in this site. Okay, now just again I'm going to record a new project ABC. Okay, now I'm copying the URL, control V, and just I'm clicking what record. See, when the site is open, I'm seeing now I'm clicking what downloads. Okay, done. Documents, done. Projects, done. Support, done. Blocks, done. Now I want to stop the. I want to stop this. Stop. It is asking ABC. So you all are click only, right? What we done action. What you are doing the action here? Click, 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 click. Okay, now I want to run this. See, I'm not doing anything here. Download is done, documentation is done, project is done, support is done, block is done. So how fast it is? That's the reason people are crazy now. Organization people are crazy with automation. If manually I want to do, how much time it will take? See again, I want, if suppose I want to run again new build, simply I change the URL. See how fastly it will execute it, because this is HTML site, so that's the reason it will be fastly executed. See, open the Selenium dev. Okay, the maximize the size. Okay, click that button. Okay, everything is done. So initially the starting when they introduce the Selenium, right, they will start with what? Selenium IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. What we will do with this IDE? We can record and play the script. You can record any website and you can do the automation. Understanding, right? So initially they introduced what? IDE. What is called IDE, guys? Integrated development environment, which is plugin. This is what plugin. If you want to do now, you just open your browser. You just open the browser. Just type Selenium IDE plugin for a Chrome. Okay, or any browser. Okay, just if you click this one, automatically your plugin will see extensions. Already I added, right? So it is asking to remove from the Chrome. In your case, add from Chrome. So you just click the add button, automatically it will come like this. Okay, so you can try now after the session. Don't leave it. Okay, try. Okay, so IDE is very important, guys. IDE stands for what? Integrated development environment, which is the plugin for the web browsers. It is allows what we can do with IDE. In interview question, what we will do with the IDE? We can do with what? Record and play the script. Suppose I don't know how to write the script. In that case, what I can do? I can easily use the IDE. But there are a lot of drawbacks will be there. We cannot customize the things. Okay, when you want to scroll up, scroll down, there are a lot of things will be there. Slowly you will understand that things. So I don't want to make complicated in that area. Okay, now this is the easiest framework, and therefore the developer need to switch to Selenium RC in advanced testing cases. Okay, now what is RC? Now what is RC, guys? RC is nothing but a remote control. So RC stands for what? A remote control, which allows the developer to code in their preferred language. See, so that's the reason automation Selenium is more crazy in with other tools. So Selenium is not only to, if you want to write any script, not only with one language. If only one language means only that particular person only can do the automation. But in RC, what they do, they introduced multiple languages. Okay, so Selenium RC support many programming languages such as Java. If you are good in Java, you can start writing the code with the Java. If you are good in C#, you can write in the C#. If you are good in Python, you can write in Python. If you are good in Ruby, you can write in the Ruby. You can good in PHP, you can write in the script in PHP. So my project is PHP, so I can use PHP. My project is ASP.NET, I can use C#. My project is Java, so I can use Java. My project is Python, so I can use Python. So all the people will like this one because it won't support only a individual language. It will support a multiple languages like Java, C# and Python and Ruby and PHP. Again, the question will come, do I need to learn all the languages? Is it possible? No, we cannot learn all the languages. But one language you need to be strong. You become strong in one language, either Java, either Python, either C#, either Ruby, or either PHP. No need to learn all the things again. That's a wrong opinion. Okay, but expert in one language. You are expert in one language. I'm too good in Java. I'm too good in Java. If you expert in that area, the rest of the things you can play like anything. PHP you can play, and C# you can, because everywhere the code will be the same only. Okay, the code will be the same only, but what is the change? Syntax will be changed, not entire the thing. Syntax will be changed. Suppose the same code you want to write for launching the browser. Okay, launching the browser. Okay, see, the same code will be there. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So no need to learn all the languages, guys. Again, don't confuse here. Okay, suppose in Java, so in Java what we are writing, driver.get. I want to open this URL, so what I'm using here, driver.get. Okay, in C#, let's say in what is Python, in Python what they've written, everything is the same only, just syntax will be there. See, driver.get only. In Python there is nothing different script, but the syntax, see, if you see the syntax will be might be a different. Okay, C#. So .NET, here what they written for to calling the URL, go to the URL. Okay, so simply they will write go to the URL, but the concept will be the same on Ruby. In Ruby also what they're writing, driver dot get. See, open braces and close braces are not there. Did you observe here? For Java and Ruby, here we are writing within the string, right? Within the braces we are writing. In Ruby we are not keep on the braces. Okay, simply you are writing what driver dot get. In JavaScript, what you are writing here, simply what you are writing here, driver dot get. So 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 what are the languages, like different languages? So the concept will be the same only. Here also website will be launched, in Java also website will be launched, in Python also website will be launched, and C# also website will be launched, and Ruby also the website will be launched. But the way you are presentation, the way you are writing the script is slightly different and not much more than that. So no need to learn all the languages, guys, but you are expected in one area, like I'm good in Java, so other programming languages are easily you can understand and easily you can modify. Okay, because I told you, right, once you get into the organization, okay, you learn Java here, but they won't ask directly you know Python or not. You are expert in automation or not? Yes, I'm expert in automation. Slowly they will convert it into you into Python if your project is Python. Okay, or else they will, your project in C#, they will ask, do you have an idea about C# and all the things? You can say that yes, we are currently working with the C# also, because here again no need to learn from the starting onwards. So only you need to check the syntax, and every code will be available in the Google also. But it's not a good idea. We cannot encourage like this. Everything will be available, but you need to know how to use that code and how to modify that code. Most of the people, what they will do, simply copy paste. My code is executing, my code is executing. But in interview they will ask to write a code in front of them. So they ask you open the notepad, write to launch the Chrome browser. So how much you prepare, that will be easily understand while you are writing the script in the notepad. Understanding, right? Definitely, guys, they won't ask the questions. They will ask you open the notepad, write any Java program or write any script to execute launching the Chrome browser or any browser. What script you need to write, because there is no oral here. Everything should be a practical knowledge. Everything should be a practically they will ask you. I know how to launch. If you tell something, they won't listen. They will ask you to open the notepad and write the script for launching the Chrome browser. Don't panic. Very easy. If you understand the concept, oh, it's very easy. Okay. Why I'm telling here, you required a more practice. That is what I'm trying to say. Don't panic. Okay. No one will ask you too many questions, but they will check your confidence. They will check your skills, how you are writing the script and all the things, because you are going 3 years of experience, 4 years of experience, then it will, you need required some knowledge on Java also. Okay, is it clear, guys? Next one, WebDriver. See, this is what we are learning, complete 1 month of course. What we are learning, Selenium WebDriver. Okay, see, what is this WebDriver? The Selenium automates and control the activities performed by the web browser. What are the activities you are doing? What activities you are doing, guys? Now you are, see, you are clicking here. This is one activity. You are clicking here. This is one activity. You are clicking this one. This is one activity. You are scrolling down. This is one activity. You are closing the browser. This is one activity. So what are the activities you done? Everything we can automate. Selenium automates and control the activities performed by the web browser. What are the activities you are doing on web browser? You are entering the name, first name, you are entering the last name, you are clicking the tab button. So these all are what your activities. What are the activities you done on the web page? We can automate all the things. Do not by heart, try to understand the core concept. Okay, if you understand the concept, if you know the code, how to launch Chrome browser, You can launch any other browser, same line, same thing. Only you need to change only one line only. There is a different code for a Chrome browser, the different code for a Firefox browser, different code for Edge Chrome. No, nothing. If you understand one browser, how to launch in one browser, the rest of the browsers are dead easy. You can only do your own. You can run your own. Okay, but at least you need to understand how I need to launch one browser. You need to understand the concept, means the rest of the things is very, 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 very easy. Okay, it has been implemented throughout the browser specific driver. For every browser there is a driver will be there. For a Chrome driver will be there. For Firefox driver will be there. Firefox, we can call it as a Jico driver, and Edge driver will be there. So that's the reason I ask you, right? You always refer one site. If you are starting with automation, means you always keep this site as a bookmark. What is the what is the Selenium? Previously the site is what, Selenium org. Now they will change that selenium.dev. So you can see this site, you will get a more and more and more and more knowledge. Okay, when the Selenium is started and all the things, you can see this, you can get it more knowledge here. Okay, but not required. While you're doing all the things, slowly you can see all the things. Okay, not required. If you want more and more and knowledge, means you can just open the site and try to understand the things. Okay, but web drivers are very, very, very important, guys. So see, I told you, right, specific driver browsers. For every browser we have the driver will be there. For, see, we have browsers. What are the browsers? We have Firefox, there is a driver will be there, Jico driver. For internet, IE browser. For Opera we will be there. Safari also we have. Chrome is also we have, and Edge also we have. 1 second, guys. And one more thing, I told you, right, they will give you KT before you join into the any organization or any project or anything. They won't give immediately day one. Do the automation first. No one will do like that. First of all, you need to understand the manual process, then only you can do the automation. Without manual you cannot do automation. Manually it is failed. Manually only it is failing, means you are not doing anything in the manual only if the URL is not working. Suppose if I enter amazon.in, so manual only it is failed. What is the use of doing automation there? When we will do the automation, guys? Anybody? When we will do the automation?
When the
Anybody?
project is big, sir, and task is repeated.
Yeah, task is repeated. Yes, task is repeated. I want to do a regression. What is the regression testing, guys? Anybody? What is regression testing? You know what is regression testing?
Yes, sir.
What is regression testing?
After all integration testing, we need to do regression testing, sir, again and again.
Yeah, what you will do in regression testing? Make sure the
So we
bug is
check the are the fixed or not, and whether it is impact on the rest of the application or not. Check for
yes,
integration test.
whether it is impacting the rest of the modules or not. So in this case, automation came in the picture. Regression is very, very important. What is developer job? Every day you modify the code. What is the developer job? He will do always, he modify the code, right? He will always changes the code, and he will always check whether the code is working correctly. In that case, we can do the manual testing, means then it will take a lot of time, right? So regression means what? Make sure the bug is fixed or not. It should not impact rest of the modules. So in that case, what we can do, we can start what? Automation. Okay, they will check you whether
Sir,
your website will be suitable for automation or not. They will check and they will come up with the best tool. Yeah, go ahead. Anybody have any question?
yes, sir. Sir, you told four. Selenium WebDriver, Selenium ID, Selenium RC, and one other is also there. So what
Grid,
are
grid.
these components?
4 components. So that is the Selenium components.
Okay, and my question is, sir, in how many components in all four we need to use coding?
See, initially they started with IDE. After that, they come up with RC. Now there is no ID, there is no RC. Everything will combine with the WebDriver. Understanding,
Okay,
right?
sir.
No,
Okay.
no, we are not using ID because ID is not required. Okay, we are not using RC. RC will be different now. It will combine with WebDriver only. So grid. So there is a grid means again we are going to with that. Grid is what we required server and client and all the things. So no one will do that complicated level. So no one will use grid. Only the people are using what WebDriver. If you see any job description, only they will ask you what WebDriver on. Understanding, right? So they won't ask what is ID, they won't ask what is the what we can say that what RC. So everything will comes in the part of what WebDriver. Okay, is it
Thank you,
clear?
sir.
Okay, good. So mostly you need to check regression. Try to understand the concept is what regression. What is regression? Make sure the bug is fixed or not. It should not impact the rest of the modules. So that's the reason we are using what automation here. Okay. For every browser, there is a specific driver will be there. Okay. While you are writing the script, you will easily understand what is that. Okay. The Selenium communicates with the browser. How it will communicate with the browser and how it will be works means it will the Selenium is communicates with the browser to control its functions like the RC supports like Java. If you write the JavaScript based on that, it will control the site. Okay, C# and Python and Ruby. So you are in good in one language, that is more enough. Okay, not required to learn all the areas, but most of the projects are Java only. So when you use when you learn Java, you see what is the advantages of learning of Java. Okay, you can go for APIs, you can go with the microservices, you can go for automation. So Java is a more powerful, more and more powerful. So my suggestion is what, if you want to crack the interview, you must and should be joined as a Java classes. Most of the Selenium, most of the people are say that we will tell Java. 10 days of Java, 15 days Java, you will not crack the interview, guys. Can you tell me, I will teach 15 days Java, you will get all the things? No. 15 days Java, it is not at all enough to crack the interview. So again, Java means what? Again, you need not learn all the things. Core Java, what is called basics. You need to learn basic. What is string? What is int? What is variables? What is the string and what is variables? And what is the method? What is the class? How we can integrate? So at least you need to understand the basic terminology. Okay. Without Java also we can learn the automation. No, not required. Even you don't know, but blindly you are doing all the things. 1 second. Yeah. So Java is required, guys. If you want getting the job within a 1 month or 2 months, you need to strongly prepare the Java, guys. Okay, sometime you need to spend 1 more hour with the Java every day. Take from today and for 30 days, whenever the session will be done, you need to spend 1 hour separately for Java, because sometimes we need to already code is written. Don't worry, don't think that you are only one person to write entire the script. Don't think like that. Okay, once you get into the job, already the code is there written. You need to add your only your module. So whenever they ask to implement automation for that particular module, means at least you need to understand the existing code, how they written the code and what kind of code they written. At least you need to understand that the code and all the things. So you need to have some basic knowledge on Java. Understanding, right? Any questions? Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, you talked about APIs. So are we
yeah.
covering API automation in this course?
No, that is completely a separate. That is REST APIs is completely separate. We are not
Oh,
cover anything on this because that if we start here, there is a lot of confuse will be there, and also it's not be see if you keep your resume. If I know API testing, then it's fine. They ask you REST APIs and all the things. Just basic knowledge is enough, not required completely experts. Okay, because once you get into the organization, right, they will give you again KT and everything. They will provide wiki, they will provide the wiki documents, so you need to refer the wiki documents and you need to follow. Okay, if you are going with 5 to 6 years of experience, then you need to separately learn with REST API testing, because APIs is very 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 important. Next,
okay.
everywhere we are using APIs. Without APIs we can't do anything.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay. We have REST assured library, right? So that's why I
Yes,
asked. Yeah.
yes, yes. We
Okay.
can do
Thank you.
all the things. In Selenium also database will be there. In Selenium
Oh,
also we can use the database connectivity. But don't go with complex. If you go with entire the things, you will miss the basic things. They will check you whether you are able to do or not. Okay,
okay.
because you need to give a confidence to them. Then automatically once you join in the team, right, the pressure will come. They will guide you, they will support you, and everything will be there. But once you get into the job, you don't know what is WebDriver, you don't know what is ID, and you don't know how to launch the code, and you don't know, then no one will follow up you, right, every day. At least you try from your end 60%, then some other person will come and help you at 40%. Then your task will be completed. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So
Sure.
basic is very, very, very important.
Got it.
But anyhow, they will help out you. But don't think that every time they will help you. Most of the, right, nowadays work from home. You need to work independently only. You need to work your own. No one will help you. No one will tell you all the things. But you can Google it. You can search it and all the things. But you need to understand how I can modify the code and how I need to understand the things. So if you by heart the things, it won't come. If you do the practically, you done, then you can easily do the things. Okay, so here the Selenium grid. Okay, what is Selenium grid? See, the Selenium grid to execute parallel test with the with Selenium RC in multiple browsers. So I want to execute Chrome in one browser, I want to execute in different browsers. So in that case I can use what grid. Run the server test with the same time with the different missions. See, different missions and running with the different operating system. So this is what setup. Environment. What is meaning of setup? The setup is nothing but environment. I need to provide environment, right? So organization need to provide a QA environment. We already discussed in manual testing, right? What is the environments? They need to provide the QA environment. They need to provide dev environment. They need to provide the production environment, pre-production and production environments. Understanding, right? So they will give you a setup and the framework. Okay, most of the organization, they will already they develop their frameworks, but they will ask you what framework you done, what kind of framework you know, did you implemented your own framework, can you do with can you give me any examples of framework. So these kind of questions will come. So we have page objective model and test ng framework. So if you good in one area, I'm not telling about entire I know all this that means you will not crack the interview. Only learn perfectly in one area. I am good in test ng, I did in my project test ng only. You can ask any question on the test ng, I'm ready to answer. Then the other person will understand, oh, you are in good in this area, so we can easily take it. But you are learning half of knowledge in test ng, you are learning half of knowledge in page object model, you are reading the interview questions, but you don't know what is that and you don't know how to explain them, you don't know, you never implemented and that in your system. Now you are ready to go for interviews. How it is possible? Tell me. Everyone is coming for interview only tomorrow, but I asked you at least write a code or tell me what you done. They won't ask much more questions. They will ask you what you done only. That questions only they will ask you. Even I am also in the panel of interview. So we never ask much more complicated things. This, that, we never ask. Tell me what you done in your current project and how you implemented, how things will be work. So simply we will ask you these questions only. If by-hearted, that guy will not explain. You can tell the definition. Can you please tell me more? Means he cannot do. Who done the practice? That guy can easily tell that. This one I can take, 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 because he already done the practice. So here the practice is required. Again, no need to buy any softwares. Selenium is what? Open source. And what is the main difference between open source and commercial? So commercial means, you know, right? So open source means what? It is a free of cost, no need to buy. So most of the organization, they won't spend much more money, because if I want to buy a commercial tool, again I need to pay for every month for each and every individual testers. Okay, in the organization, they need to buy the paid license only. They will not crack the downloads and all the things. Okay, there is a lot of policies will be there. So every organization, they follow very strict policies, and they need to use licensed only. So once I done also, it is not give the accurate results. Again my efforts, again my time, is everything is wasted. So open source, the people are going with open source because I'm not investing any single rupee on this, on these tools. What is open source? You can download and you can use it. Okay, again here advantages will be there and disadvantages will be there. So what is advantages? Let's see. What is advantages of Selenium? Selenium is an open source. There is no license cost for use it. You can anyone can use this one. Selenium IDE components provide access Selenium suite to record and playback features with the non-programmer. Automation script can also be written. So I don't know any language, so in that case I can use what? Selenium IDE. Selenium Grid helps to in parallel distributed testing. So I want to execute it in different missions and different browsers at a time. In that case I can use what? Grid. So this environment they need to provide. Okay, most of widely used programming language, see, I'm expert in Java, so I can go with. I'm expert in Python, I can go. I can expert in Ruby and or PHP, any language. They're preferable languages. Okay, you are in good in one area, then you can start writing. Okay, it's not restricting the languages. Only I know only this languages only support, means everyone need to prepare that language only. But in Selenium, it is not like that. If you are in good in any other languages in the listed, you can do. You can write your code. You can write your script. It is also supports popular browsers like a Chrome and Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Safari. So all major browsers, every website. What are the browsers? Major browsers we use like Chrome and Firefox, Internet Explorer. There is no Internet Explorer now. You know, right? Edge Chrome will be there. Okay, so they will stop support for IE, so we are not see the IE browsers. Okay, we have option is what? Chrome and Firefox and Edge Chrome. What is the
Parallel and
limitation? Okay, go ahead.
so there is a parallel and distributed testing is there. So what is the
Yes,
distributing that? I didn't get that.
sorry, come again. Yeah, parallel and distributed execution means what? Then I told you, right, they need to provide the environment. Okay, in the grid means what? They need to run the server test at the same time with the different missions. So mission means what? Again, they need to provide the different environment, like they need to provide different servers, right? Understanding, right? And different operating systems. Like it should be run in Windows, it should be run in Linux, and it should be run in Mac. So that environment you need to set up first. Then only you can do the grid execution. Is it clear? Here what we can do is cross browsing testing will be there. Okay, at a time we can, in within the same mission, at a time we can run all three browsers at a time. Okay, that we can do in cross browsing testing. Okay, is it clear? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it clear, or still you have a question?
Yes, yes,
Yes or no?
yes, sir. Clear,
Okay,
sir.
good. Okay, good. So what is the limitation of the Selenium? See, every tool they have advantages will be there, disadvantages will be there. Don't think that Selenium is top in the market, but I want to get into the market means we need to follow the market area. So everyone is asking what automation. At least you know the. But to be frank, we are not use automation and Selenium in the real time also, because they are use different tools. They're use different one. But at least you need to know you are an expert in one automation, then you can learn anything other tools. Okay. So, but you need to know how automation will work, how automate the websites and all the things. Okay. So if you do know the driving of one car, easily you can drive the other cars also, but you need to learn some techniques. Okay. All the cars are not same again, that's true, because but you know one car driving, then other car it will take some time, but to settle all the things, but you can drive, right? So the similar way, if you know the automation in one tool, the rest of the tools are same, but slightly different. So here what we learn, here what we want to learn here. So how to launch the browsers, how to handle the text boxes, how to handle the radio buttons, how to handle the drop downs, and how to handle the mouse events, how to handle the scroll bar, maximize, minimize, everything, the basics we learn here. And next, slowly we will go with the frameworks like TestNG, Page Objective Model, and Maven. And slowly advanced topics is on Jenkins and GitHub. That's it. If you are good in this all this area, you can easily get into the job. Okay. Here, what is the limitation? The mobile apps cannot be tested with using the Selenium. See, now this is more disadvantage, right? Again, for the mobile testing, again I need to use different tool. Okay, Catalan is the now it will support window application, it will support web application, it will support mobile application, but the tool cost is too high. So but company will not come, right? They will check what is the more efficient the results, what is the more efficient results. I buy the license also, the people are not done in accurate, the application is not supported, then we need to check the application also, whether this application will support for this tool or not. I know the Selenium, I will do all the automation means, no, it won't work out. Before you need to think whether this application will be supported for the automation or not. You need to check. Understanding, right? I will do all the things means what you will do. Selenium will not support Windows application. Selenium it supports for what? Web based application. Say Selenium only support what? Web based application. Sorry, you have any questions? Okay. Selenium supports what? Only web-based application. Mobile apps cannot be tested by using the Selenium. Okay, Appium will be there. There is another one will be there. If you want to learn automation with the mobile testing, mobile automation, it is also more crazy one. Okay, you need to learn, but experts are not there in the market. You need to test in Mac and Android. If you learn Android and Mac, you need to learn both. How we need to app automation, so how to learn how to download the app APK file. They will provide the APK file, how you can download, how we can install. See, learning is very important. What all, say, knowledge is different and implementation is different. Everybody have the knowledge, but implementation knowledge is very important. I can also tell I can ride the car in the hill like this, but when they will give the car in the hill, right, then I know what is my talent. If I don't know how to ride in the car in the hill riding is completely different, and normal driving is completely different. Only experts can do only hill driving. You're thinking simply, oh mama, what is there, just put a first gear and just give the accelerator, it will go. Anyone can tell this word, but really you are driving on the hill, then you will know what is that, what is the pain, and how we need to drive, and what we need to take precautions and each and everything. Once you drive really, then only. So knowledge is different and implementation is different. Anyone can tell the definition of Selenium. Simply I will ask to launch the browser means they won't ready to write the code. Understanding, right? You need to be an expert. Like you, whenever anyone asks to launch any browser, You need to launch the browser. Anyone asked to, can you automate this entire the website? Yes, I'm ready to do the entire website automation. So that level we required, not only a definition wise, what is locators, what is Selenium, what is the how to handle the radio button, how to handle the, you no need to join here. If you Google it, you can get it all the things. Understanding, right? Again and again, I'm telling, we are not commercial. We are not looking for everyone should be joined and not. We are not that. We are want two guys to be settled for every batch, 2 to 3 numbers. Average, I'm telling average, okay? 2 to 3 numbers are there settled, they weld, and they're ending like anything because they struggled hard. They do practice, they do a lot of things. Understanding, right? Because in referral also you will not work. Even tomorrow I can take and I place somewhere. You can manage the manual testing, but you cannot manage the automation testing. You can manage manual testing means what? You will click here. What is monkey testing? You know, right? What is monkey testing? Random clicks here and here, and you will click somewhere, it is not working, you will report it. But automation is not like that, right? At least you should have some knowledge. Then only you need to explain them how it is working, how it is failing, and all the things. Some people are thinking I can copy the paste and the code. No, it won't work out in all the ways. But you will get information, more information in Google itself. Okay, it will come. Okay, but at least you need to know how I need to modify that code. Okay, so reports cannot be prepared by using, see here in automation, one more disadvantage is what we cannot see the reports. Okay, we need to use third-party tools such as the TestNG and all the things. Okay, you need to use some tools. Okay, TestNG, JUnit, and extant reports. Most of the interview they will ask what are the how to form the reports and all the things. In Selenium, what is the disadvantages? You cannot generate the report format. Suppose I want to execute. Now I want to show, I cannot show this in the report format. Just now I show you, right? This is executed, but I cannot show in the report. This is what console. I'm getting the output in console, but I cannot show in report format. But if I want to show in the report format, again I need to use what TestNG. Some third-party tools will be there. Based on the tools, I can show them the report format. Okay, Selenium is a free tool. There is no ready vendor support. Suppose you will stuck somewhere, you got some errors, you will not, no one will help out on that. So there is no support. Suppose if I buy a license, commercial tool means if I got any problem, I can directly contact with the support team. But here Selenium is what? Free tool. So in case that you got any issue or any problem, so whom I need to ask? There are Selenium communities will be there. You need to browse lot of things. You need to browse. Everything will be, entire world will be in the Google itself. Okay, there are the advantages will be there, disadvantages will be there. Suppose you got some error, first you need to type that error in the Google and search, and you will see the answers for that one, and you need to ask your lead. Most of the people, they won't search also, they won't see the error properly, they won't read the error properly. I'm getting error, completely the day is wasted. The next day they're wasted. They need to wait for someone will come. No, in the real time no one will help you. First read the properly error, what error you are getting, copy that error and paste into the Google. See, the same error will come to other persons also, right? They will give you a solution for that one. That is what Selenium communities, there are a lot of communities will be there. There are a lot of solutions they will give you in the internet. You need to choose which one is the best one. Understanding, right? So don't wait for someone. If someone will come, they will explain, I will go. No, you, what are the errors you are getting, what are the issues you are getting? First of all, don't panic if it is not running or you are not able to execute. Don't worry. If you get mistakes, then only you will get more and more knowledge. So in interview they will ask you guys, they won't ask directly questions. What are the issues you, while you are scripting, what are the issues you found, what kind of issues you faced? That is also interview question. Don't say, and while I'm working I never get any issue. Don't say like that. If you say like that, means they will easily understand you are fake. While whenever you do that application, right, automation, right, you will get multiple issues will come, multiple number of issues will come. So whenever you will find the issue, immediately you need to note down in the paper. Okay, in interview they will ask you while automation what kind of issues you faced, what kind of errors you will get. So you need to explain them. This is what while implementation the browser I got this one. This browser is not support. This version browser is not support. So that's the reason I'm going with the latest version. So you need to tell like that. Okay. And the user is expected to keep programming knowledge. See, I'm telling without programming knowledge also you can do blindly. That is what blindly. This is this. This is this. This is this. But if you know the programming knowledge, that is well and good, because Java, if you learn Java, it won't be waste. I'm telling seriously, guys. That is 2,000 or 3,000 or it is 4,000 or it is 5,000. That is what one kind of investment only. If you put the investment now, no, automatically returns will come, no doubt at all. Once you get into the job, automatically what you are invest here now, that triple and four, then 100% above it will come, not less than that. Once you get a job, that knowledge will not be gone anywhere. If you learn Java, basic one, I'm not telling advanced Java. Don't go with high end. Okay, at least basic things: what is class, what is object, what is variable, what is method. At least if you know this one, because nowadays, to be frank, they won't ask any question automation. Now they stop asking the automation question, because everyone is saying automation question. What is Selenium? What is advantages? What is disadvantages? What are the locators? What are the XPath? Everyone will tell, because one day you will sit, one day night, then you will get all the answers, and you will get it and you will get. But in interview they will ask you write a program, string duplicate name letters. In stringy, how many duplicate letters will be there? Just write and print out. These kind of questions they will ask. Understanding, right? Before the entry they will ask you how strong about Java, how strong about in automation, how much rate yourself in Java, how much rate yourself in Selenium. They will ask you this question. So if you say 6 and 5, based on that only they will ask you. Okay, but don't worry, don't panic. Okay, so once you attend the interviews, right, 2 or 3 interviews, you will understand what is their expectations and what I learned. So user is expected keep programming knowledge here. Many challenges with IE browsers. Okay, sometimes browser will not be supported. In that case, what we can do? We need to change the browser version. See here, it is what browser. This is what 94 version is what 94 browser. Okay, if you go with lower version, okay, if you go with lower version browser, then it won't work out. Okay, so make sure that suppose I'm going with a different browser. Okay, copy. Yeah, just don't worry, I'm just showing here how the issues will come. Here I'm going with a different version. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you. Is it for 1 hour or 1.5 hour? The session is for 1 hour or 1.5 hour?
No, 1 hour only today. Just
Okay,
1
no
hour.
problem.
Every day
Just
is 1 hour, and every day one of the person need to be present your system. I'm not do anything, guys. Don't expect that the person I will do all the things. No, one person need to share your screen and you need to do. Okay, I will tell you, I will guide you, but do not expect it that everything I will do. No, I will not do anything. I will tell you how to do the things. Okay, like the support, job support. You know how to give the job support, right? We will tell you and you need to do. Don't think that don't ask notes, don't ask the same one. See, if you copy paste the thing, means definitely that the program will be executed, but I don't want you like that. I want you guys need to do in your system, that execution need to done on your system only, not in my system. See, I already prepared each and every code, so definitely it will be executed in my system. Okay, don't think that it will execute it only in my system. That code should be executed in your system. Okay, so you need to practice more and more. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, I will tell you 1 or 2 times, but next time onwards you need to do on your system only. Okay, see here I'm changing the path. Okay, just I'm taking almost done guys, 5 minutes. Okay, I'm about to finish. uh, don't ask this is a demo, this is the real time classes only. Okay, don't ask this is only demo class. What you will give the review in one class. Okay, you cannot give one day review, right? So tomorrow we will see the next topic. Okay, now if I run this one, so we'll see whether it will be executed or not. See, it is not executed. See, I got lot of issues, right? One second. So here I got lot of issues. So here, first of all, I need to check what is the issue here. So here it is saying that the version of Chrome driver only support the version of 95. So the this message I got, based on this message I can easily understand what is the problem. Okay, so slowly you will get it, all the things. Don't worry, don't panic, but practice is 100% is required, guys. Every day you need to at least 1 or 2 times you need to do a practice. Then only you can go for 3 to 4 years of experience. 4 years of manual experience and 1 year of automation experience. You can go with the 5 years of real-time experience. You can go like that. Or 3 years 3 years manual, 1 year automation. 2 years manual, 1 year automation. So keep automation part as a less and keep more. If you have a more gap, means you can keep more gap in manual and 1 year for automation. Like that you can prepare. Okay, any question, guys? Anybody have? So every day we have the same time, 8 to 9, guys. Based on our time, it will take 15 minutes more than, not than that. But
Okay.
everyone need to speak, everyone need to talk, because this here the coding is not important, communication is important. If you are in good in communication, you will definitely selected in the manual, no doubt at all. Because the first question they will ask you, what is your roles and responsibilities. They will ask you all these questions. At least you need to tell that one. Okay, even though you are practicing well, you are not you are not able to tell that one, then it's difficult.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can
any
we,
question?
can we have the list of topics we are going to cover in this course?
Yeah, we will. I will share that one. Okay, I will
Okay.
share that one. You will get the things. Okay, the list of topics they will given. Okay, don't worry, we will go with the basic one. Is what how to launch the browsers and what are the locators and how to handle with XPath, and how to handle the drop downs, radio button, scroll, mouse event. These all are basics. Okay, after basics we will go with a little bit framework like TestNG, and we will go with the page objective model, and then we will go with integration like Jenkins and GitHub. That's it. And if the time permits, we will go with the Cucumber also. Cucumber, definitely they will ask you, do you have a knowledge in Cucumber? Cucumber is also one of the important one. Okay. Any question, guys? Anybody? Don't panic, guys. Easy, very easily you can get it the things, but you need to have a proper plan. If without plan, it won't be work out. If even though if someone gives the reference also, automation is not easy. Manual is also not easy, but easily we can survive. Once you get the knowledge of all these areas, easily you can survive. Because if you go with 4 5 years of experience, also you can manage. But practice is required. A lot of practice is required. Any questions, anybody? Last call. Any question, guys? Anybody have any questions? What happened? Everyone is dull. Yes or no? You have any question, guys?
Yeah,
No,
no
sir.
doubt, sir.
Okay, good.
No.
We'll see tomorrow the next topic, and do not miss that. We will go with Java installation, and we required editor. One is the editor. There are number of editors will be there, but more everyone is more familiar with Eclipse. We'll go with the installation part and all the things. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Okay. And every day we will ask the question, guys. The same how we will do the manual, the same exercise we'll do here also. So every day we will ask the questions. So prepared well, and every day we will go with the question wise, right? And suddenly, in case any interview got any questions, then we can usually answer it. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.